Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the breastfeeding minute, the minute de l'allaitement maternel. We are doing this special edition from Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia, and particularly we are doing from the Addis Ababa Border International Airport. Today we are going to talk about how to keep breast milk, how to keep expressing breast milk while on travel. The bag I'm holding is just full of breast milk. I will tell you everything how I was able to keep this heavy bag. Is more than 20 packs of breast milk during these few days out of the country. And how did I keep it? Because now it's very heavy, it's a pack like a stone, so that means it's very well conserved. So stay with us for the rest of the broadcast. Thank you.